Dear customers and friends, welcome to Golden Tulip Artificial Flower and Plant New Development presentation. Today I'd like to introduce you two styles. One is berry branch, the other is leaves branch. First, the berry branch is in height 115 centimeter and the leaves branch is in height 120 centimeter. And each of them are in two color range, green, orange, green, brown. Then let's first see the berry branch. There are some small berries on each branch. Let's take this orange one for example. You see some small branch on the main stem. Looks very natural. Also, the stem is bendable. Then let's see the leaves branch. Also some small leaves on the branch. Small branches on the main branch. Also for the green one, there's some flocking. You see, which color do you like? Thank you very much. See you next time.